Hello friends, welcome to Love is Life, a world of information. Friends, today in this video tutorial, I am going to teach you how to remove filters in your Microsoft Excel data. Friends, if you got Excel sheet and that is filtered, so how you can remove this filter? Just select the data from where you want to remove your filter and then click home option and then click sort and filter and again click filter. It will remove these filters. Friends, it's very simple but sometimes it's very complicated. So friends, I hope you like this video tutorial. Please subscribe my channel Love is Life, Love for All. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments just below of this video tutorial. See you, take care, be happy and spread happiness around you. Bye bye.